What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Look at this. Look at this thing. Oh, I'm so excited. If you follow my Instagram, you already knew about this, but in case you didn't follow, this is what we ended up doing. This is a full replacement carbon fiber. What we ended up doing with the red carbon fiber is we got a carbon Kevlar, so it matches more of what the paint, I would say, would look like. So we've got regular carbon, we've got carbon Kevlar down here, and it's just like this beautiful combination. Then we've got carbon here, carbon Kevlar here, and more carbon. And then there's this, but this is getting replaced, this emblem. So I'll talk about that later on. Also, we changed, it's hard to catch in here because the lighting is bad in the garage right now, but we changed the carbon fiber and it looks ridiculous. So this whole vision is starting to finally come together, as you can see. It looks pretty damn cool. Or if you could see. Oh, there we go. A little bit better. A little bit better. So it looks pretty cool. There's a lot more to do, so I'm not going to bore you with too much more in this video. Mostly just wanted to show you, give you a quick update, see what's going on. The cabin changed a little bit. I'm very excited about it. What I wanted to get your feedback, though, in the comments section. Let me know. Let me know. Do you want more videos like this, where if it's a small thing, like this isn't an install, I didn't install this, there's no hidden tricks about it, I paid somebody, they made it, they installed it, and I drove away happy. So there's gonna be mods like that. Do you want just the small update videos? Do you want other update videos like, oh hey guys, you know, this just happened, and just giving you a quick update, I just picked up this product? Do you want stuff like that? Because if you do, I could do that. I could deliver that. See if we can focus on, what is this spot stuff? Oh, here we go. See if we can focus on the carbon fiber. It's pretty crazy. I think it's an exciting thing that we added to the vehicle. I'm pumped. Not going to say too much about it, but I do notice, in case you are going to be interested in a steering wheel like this, when you get the extended paddles, my buddy has very intricate steering wheel. He's got the LEDs and everything into his steering wheel. When you get the paddle shifters added that are extended, I don't know if it's just me or if his vehicle had an issue or something, but it just doesn't seem like the paddle shifters work as well as these. Now, I know a lot of people want bigger is better. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the huge paddle shifters. I remember when I had my Scat Pack, they had those little nubbies, if you've been following since then, but I got rid of those for the SRT. And these are the SRT paddles. So the same contour, the same feel, everything feels and looks amazing. I couldn't be happier with it, so I'm pumped. Just thought I'd show it to you. I'll post a couple pictures right now. It's like 1 or 2 pictures. Take a look at it. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. So cool. Yeah, but that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, thank you so much. I appreciate you. You're the best. I got other videos coming, so stay tuned for those. Lots to talk about, lots to do. We're heading into car season, we're heading into mod season, and I'm not talking about income tax season. I'm talking about finally getting off my ass and mod season. I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned.